Do you have hiccups, Logan? Oh, poor Logan's got hiccups. Puppy hiccups. Logan, don't chew the carpet. Logan, here. There you go. There's your bear. That's better. You like your bear?